Welcome to Foamboard Shenanigans, where the Delta's rebirth begins again. The old bird dropped a wing, hit the ground hard, but we'll tape it up right and give it a new start. Yeah, we'll tape it up right and try again. The recovery starts with a knife in hand. We'll cut the old wing, salvage what we can. Servos, radio, FPV, and more, plus that hunk of metal that's safe and knows before. Welcome to Foamboard Shenanigans, where the Delta freeway knows no end. New builds, repairs, and mods all night. Watch me bodge it together, it'll fly just right. The wings profile trace, a new board is cut to build a fuselage and fill it up. Mark the wings, make space for the pack. Gorilla glue is ready, there's no turning back. Now the motor mount's going on real tight. It'll handle the force, we'll make it right. 3 carbon rods and more gorilla glue. This is a job anyone can do. Welcome to Foamboard Shenanigans, where glue's our best friend and plans expand. New builds, repairs, and mods all night. Watch me bodge it together, it'll fly just right. Knocking out wings, taking care with a knife. Each part from one sheet, no room for strife. Cutting it clean, making sharp lines, like sewing a dream when it's foamboard time. With carbon and tape, red for port, green for starboard shape. Stops us from flying upside down in the sun, keeping things straight when there's flying to be done. Special tools mark out where to fold, and old rollers use tried and bold. Press down hard but don't break the foam. Do it all twice, then we'll bring it on home. Our best friend and plans expand. New builds, repairs, and loads all night. Watch me bodge it together, it'll fly just right. Running to the farm, the test site's near. The crash site's close, maybe not ideal here. Wind's blowing strong, trees are shaking too. Should've packed some extra emergency glue. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Join us again next time for more ground-pounding action.